In this lecture, we'll look at creating a mapping website. Now, in the first lecture, we looked at what a geophoto was and ways to acquire geophotos. So in this lecture, I'll give you an introduction to how you can upload geophotos to SharePoint and what you can do with them. So let's get started. Here's a blank SharePoint website. I'm calling this website Portal. Already created a picture library called geophotos. Let's go and look at what we have in the geophoto library. You can see I have two images. There's an image of a sidewalk and there's another image of a carousel. Now let's upload a third image that has geolocation information, and this is the same image that I showed you as an example in lecture 1. So let's go ahead and open that. And here's the image. So there's that familiar image you've seen before. There's a title for it. And this is the most important part. SharePoint automatically picked up the lat-long coordinates from the geophoto. And this is a custom component that we would be developing in the next section. As soon as the photo was uploaded, our custom extension looked at the photograph and created the lat and longs. So let's go ahead and upload this. Alright, there you are. You've got the image. File size is about 0.5 meg along with the picture size. And let me change the view to a view that I created called GeoView that has a few additional columns, including the latitude and the longitude columns. So let's go ahead and see how we can map these photographs and create a cool little mapping page. So I'm going to go to Site Pages here, add a new page. Let's go ahead and create it and insert a web part. Let's go to Mapping Web Parts and add this Google Map web part. Now this web part is a custom developed web part. In the next section, we'll look at how this web part was created, the source code, and all the inner details of how this web part would show the locations from the other list. So let's go ahead and configure this web part to pull the photographs from the geophoto library here. So now you can see the 3 photographs from the geophotos on a map. So this map web part is reading data from this list right here and mapping the 3 locations corresponding to the 3 photographs in the geophotos library.